Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to plant some more fruit trees. I got two fruit trees, peach trees from my local tractor supply, and we're going to go ahead and put them in the dirt. So these are the Sam Houston variety of peach trees. I got two of these from the tractor supply the other day. So first thing I'm going to do is remove some of the soil from this container and put it into this container. So I have a hole. Then I'm going to open this up and put it into the container and then backfill with the dirt that I've taken out. Okay, we've went ahead and placed one into this whiskey barrel here, and it's all nice and smart rather. I made like a level or a bowl, saucer shape rather. That's it, to filling in the dirt so that the dirt flows. I'm sorry, the rain, when it does rain, flows down into the roots. Um, I'm excited about having this, and hopefully we'll be able to get it to start blooming and growing soon. We're going to go ahead and do the other one via time lapse. So we got the two peach trees in. This is one here, and here's another one here. We also got the Thompson seedless grape planted. That's here. Over here we have a blackberry bush that I bought. I want to say in November or December. I bought two of them, and I think one of them died. This one I pruned and put into the container here. And last but not least, we have another berry bush that I planted last week. Thank you for coming along with me while we started my fruit forest, my fruit area. As you know, it's one of the two goals that I wanted for 2025, and it is well on its way. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to respond to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I'm looking for big and better things in 2025, and we're off to a good start. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.